everybody, Public Void here, and welcome back to the next Unix command line tutorial. Now before we start the video, I just want to say thank you so much for last video support. I got lots of views, 8 subscribers, which is brilliant for a starter channel. I got some nice likes, some really nice positive comments, and yeah, I was really pleased with it. I have made some improvements. As you can see, we're zoomed into this window, so text will be a bit easier to read. And yeah, let's get on with the show. So, the topics we'll be covering today is how to create text files using Unix's built-in text editor Nano, how to move, copy and delete files, and how to read text files. So, I've actually just made a shortcut to the terminal here, so I'm just going to click it, and the terminal's open. And let's get on to our first command. Our first command is nano. Now Nano, if we type in, launches the application Nano. And Nano is a built-in text editor for Unix. So it's just basically Microsoft Word, but in a terminal. And it's much basic. Also, you know, in Google Docs or whatever, you can click on stuff. This is all keyboard commands because we're running bare bones Unix in a terminal. So, we're going to launch Nano by staying into the command line Nano space, and we're going to pass it what's called a parameter. And a parameter is some information you pass in to an application or anything like that. So we're going to say hello world.text, and this basically tells the Nano program that the file we're going to write is called hello world.text. Now, some applications have different parameters. Maybe a numbers program has you type in numbers or something like that. But in a Nano program, one of the parameters you can type in is the title. So we're going to say nano hello world.text. We're going to press enter to launch the application with the parameter. And here we are in the Nano text editor. Now, as you see at the top here, it'll say file hello world.text. That's because we passed it in with the parameter. And we're going to type some text. So let's just say hello world. This is from the. This is from the terminal! Exclamation mark. Now, as I said, there's no mouse input, so yeah, we have to use keyboard command. So to exit the program, we hold Control X. Now we can see this because down here it says up arrow, which means Control X. And it says X. This means exit. So you can see from the whole table all these different commands you can type in. So we're going to say Control X, and it'll say save modified buffer. This basically means, do you want to save? We're going to say yes, and it'll say file name to write, hello world.text. Well, that's what we want to write it as. Press enter. Now, because we are in the home directory at the moment, if we type in pwd, print written directory, or /home/Fraser, if we open the files explorer, we can see in here we've got hello world, maybe you can't see that, hello world.text. And if we open this up, hello world, this is from the terminal. So it's all good. We've created a text file in the home directory. So let's just clear screen. Now, oops, sorry, I highlighted that. What if we want to move this file? I mean, it's not very good in the home directory, so why don't we move this file to the desktop? So the simple command is very simple, it's just mv, move. Now move is different from copy and paste. Instead of creating 2 instances of the file, it will just literally move the file from the starting location to your destination. So basically it will delete the file from the starting place and create a new file in the destination. So if we say move, we have to give it a parameter, hello world.text. This is the file we want to move. We have to give it a second parameter, which is the destination. So say /home/Fraser/desktop. If we do this, press enter, we've got no error messages, and as you can see up here, hello world.text. Now, to prove this hasn't copied anything, we'll type in ls list in the home directory, and as you can see, there is no hello world.text. Whereas if we go into cd, change directory, into the desktop, and we type in ls, we've got one file, hello world.text. So we have just moved a text file from the home directory to the desktop. Now what if, as I said, we want to copy this file instead of move it? So we want to have two instances of the object. Well, we'll literally just type copy CP. So copy, we'll give a parameter hello world.text, and this is because in the desktop directory there is hello world.text. We'll say copy hello world.text, and then the other parameter we'll give it is /home/Fraser/documents. Press enter. Nothing, no errors show up, and as you can see, we've still got hello world.text in the document, in the desktop directory. And if we go into files, and I'm just gonna resize this. If we go into the files menu and we go into documents, we can see that we've got hello world.text, and this is exactly just a exact replicate of the desktop version. So that's all good. But what if we've had enough of that file and we want to remove it? So let's remove it from the documents. So we'll say change directory home/Fraser/documents, and we'll just clear the screen. We simply type remove, RM in this case, remove, and we'll give it one parameter, hello world.text. And no errors popped up, so we'll say list. And as you can see, hello world.text has been removed. So now we have deleted, we know how to delete files, we know how to move them and copy and paste them, and of course create them. Why don't we try and read them? Because we can read them of course by clicking on the GUI, but what if we want to read them with the terminal? Well, we'll say this command, cat. It may sound a strange command, it's not the usual move, copy and remove, whatever. Well, this is short for concatonate. And this command can be used for many things, such as creating new text files, copying, tons of stuff. But we're going to use it to read the text file. So first we actually need to move back into the desktop, because remember we deleted the hello world from documents. So we'll go into desktop and we'll say cat and give it a parameter hello world.text. And as you can see, hello world, this is from the terminal, ! So that's that. We have been able to read from the text file and be able to got it in the terminal. So that's very cool. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this gets as much support as it did in the last video. Next tutorial we'll probably be looking at making directories, deleting them, and SAR. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Public Void out.